Alright, welcome back to Partitioning a Line segment, part 4. I'm going to do one more example down here. Now, again, I hope that before you watch this video, you've watched all the other videos, and you've tried all the other problems, and you've tried this one too. You're just watching this video to see if you did it right or not. Okay? So if you haven't done this problem yet, pause the video, watch the other videos, do the other problems, do this problem, then watch the video to see if you did it right or not. Okay, let's take a look here. So, I want to find the coordinates of point Q. So Q is going to be somewhere along here. So that the ratio of AQ to QB is 3 to 2. So since we want a ratio of 3 to 2, we're going to need a total of 5 parts, so that 3 of them, or 2 of them can go to AQ, and 3 of them can go to QB. So in order to do that, we need to find first the horizontal distance between the 2 points, and divide that by 5. So let's see, Q, or delta X, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, divided into 5 equal parts, so 1 space each. So each of our partitions will be 1 space apart. They'll each be one unit wide. Going up, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our delta Y is going to be 6 divided into 5 equal parts, which is 1.2. Okay, so let's check here. So going over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2. So there are 5 portions, or 5 pieces, or 5 parts. And we have to place point Q so that 2 of them are between Q and A, and 3 of them are between Q and B. So that puts point Q right here. Now we have to find the actual coordinates for point Q. And let's see. Let's start again from B. Seems an easier choice because we're adding instead of subtracting. So let's do that. So starting down here, we want to find the x coordinate. Actually, let's do my color coding here, right? So x might be in red since this is all in red down here. So x of Q. We start at B's x coordinate, which is -1. And we're adding 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 steps of size 1 each. So that's -1 plus 3 times 1, which is 3, which equals -1 plus 3 is +2. And let's take a look. That actually looks right on the graph. We're directly above the 2 on the x-axis. Now, let's go ahead and find our y-coordinate. See, y of Q, we're starting with -3, and we're adding 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, up to Q, of size 1.2 each. So then, that gives us -3 plus 3 times 1.2 is 3.6. So we were down 3 spaces to begin with, and we went up 3 and a 0.6, which gives us a positive 0.6. When we look here on the graph, we're on the y-axis, we're between 1 and 2, and it does look like we're a little closer. Or between 0 and 1, it does look like we are a pinch closer to the 1, but not by much. So that makes sense. So our y-coordinate is 0.6. So in the end, Q has coordinates of 2, 0.6. All right. And we're done. So just to recap what we did here, we wanted a ratio of 3 to 2, which means we needed 5 parts so that we could send 3 of them over to QB, 2 of them over to QA. So first we measured the horizontal distance between the points. That was 5 units. We divided that into 5 equal parts, because we're dividing the horizontal distance into 5 equal parts and the vertical distance into 5 equal parts. So the horizontal distance divided into 5 equal parts gave us 1 unit per part. The vertical distance, want to divide that into 5 equal parts, and it was a total of 6 units, and we divided that into 5 equal parts. Each part was 1.2, which meant that each of our segments on the graph was going to be starting down here at B, over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2, over 1, up 1.2, and so on. So then we divided our line segment into 5 equal portions, 5 equal parts. We placed Q so that 2 of them were between Q and A, 3 of them were between Q and B. Then we had to find the actual coordinates for Q. So starting down here with B, we started at the -1, and we went over 3 steps or 3 parts, and each part was 1 unit in size each, which gave us -1 plus 3, which gave us +2. And then, starting with the y-coordinate of B, which was -3, we went up 3 spaces, or not 3 spaces, but 3 parts, and each part was 1.2, so up, up, up to here. First, so starting at -3, up 3 steps, and each step was 1.2, for a total of going up 3.6. Starting at -3, going up 3.6, left us at +0.6, or 0.6. So our coordinates were 2, 0.6. Alright, I think that's the last example I'm going to do on this set. So try and do the back 3 on your own, and you can check your solutions and see if you did them right. Alright, good luck. Bye-bye. What do you need help with, bud? Oh, no! Alright, we'll see if I can fix that. Alright, bye-bye.